Oh god, Potmos 99 FPV here. Is that what we're gonna call myself? I don't know. That's not my. I don't know what the hell we're gonna call myself. I'm John, and I'm just a dad. I'm Long Island, New York, and I'm here at our local high school. I'm gonna fly some quads. By some I mean two. Two built Diatone Roma L3. That's probably not built properly. And I don't know, TBS Source 1 V3. Using my trusty old V3s, Dominator V3s. I'm just putting random stickers on this thing, I don't really care. But let's see what happens.
Preparing the Krabby Patties!
Pack one done. Part two. Beep. Recording? Yeah, we're recording. I don't know, are we? Yep. Oh yeah. Don't know where I'm going, don't know where I'm going. Go here. Happy little trees. Hey, Bob Ross. There's a happy little flag. Boom. Something. Success. Is that prop wash? I have no idea what the hell that was. Let's see. We fly low. Oh, track's flying low. Whoa, okay. Is that what Cindy's like? Let's try and do that. Flying through some trees. Happy trees here. Let's go through some. Whoops. Come on. Makes perfect, right? I don't know. I'm trying to be too much like the other guys up there. That's fine. Oh, there we go. See, how about wide open? Can I go wide open? Alright. Oops. Boink. 36. Alright, let's come back in for a landing. Sweet. So that wasn't bad.